The OPPO Find N2 Flip is confirmed to launch in India. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new video of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Aman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. The OPPO Find N2 Flip already sells in China, but soon, and by soon I mean 15th on February, OPPO is planning to launch the Find N2 Flip globally, including India. Now, for those who don't know, the OPPO Find N2 Flip already sells in China. It launched alongside the OPPO Find N2, but it seems like OPPO is only planning to launch the flip phone for now for the global markets, including India, as I said. So going by the official promo posters, the Find N2 Flip is looking quite similar, in fact similar to the Chinese variant of its phone, and when this phone does officially launch in India, it's going to give tough competition to the ever popular Galaxy Z Flip 4. And for those who don't know, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 sells in India at a price of about 83,000 rupees. That is after the cashback and discounts. So it will be interesting to see how does OPPO price the Find N2 Flip in India. Like, what do you think? Will OPPO undercut the Z Flip 4, or do you think the Find N2 Flip will be more expensive than the Z Flip 4? Let me know in the comments. According to a new report, a small team at Mate is working, the team is called Bhashini. They are working on a WhatsApp chatbot that will be powered by ChatGPT, and this will be this will be basically for farmers. So farmers in India want to know more about government schemes. They want to know in detail about these government schemes, or if they have any query regarding these government schemes, will be able to find out more on WhatsApp with the help of this ChatGPT-powered AI chatbot, and they will be able to do so via voice notes. Of course, this will be very helpful for all those farmers who may not be very comfortable with typing on their smartphone. So this will be great, but also note that this feature is currently in testing phase, and it may take some time for this to officially launch. And also note that as of now in the testing phase, about 12 Indian languages are supported. The languages are on your screens right now, but of course support for more languages will be added in the coming time. After Google and Microsoft, looks like it is Opera's turn to join into the AI fund. So the company is adding a new feature to its browser's sidebar. They're calling it Shorten, and this feature is powered by ChatGPT. So in a blog post, Opera has also added a short demo video that gives us a glimpse of how ChatGPT will be integrated into the browser and how it will be able to generate summaries of web pages and articles. But again, just like Microsoft and Google, this feature has only been announced for now, which means it is not available for the public to use as of right now, and also no specific timeline has been given on the release. The Poco X5 Pro 5G was launched in India last week, and today, that is 13th Feb, a Monday, the phone has officially gone on sale in the country. And for those who don't know, to recall, the Poco X5 Pro 5G has been priced at 22,999 rupees for the 128GB version and 24,999 rupees for the 256GB storage variant. However, Flipkart is offering a 2,000 rupees instant discount if you plan to purchase the phone via an ICICI bank card or an HDFC bank credit card. Additionally, the Poco X5 Pro 5G is being offered in three different colors: the black, blue and yellow. And of course, if you want to know more about the smartphone, hit the card above to check out our first impressions video of the Poco X5 Pro 5G. So the deal that I'm about to tell you about is again about the Poco X5 Pro 5G. So remember the times, I mean just last year only, mid-range phones with like really great specifications were priced for about 20 to 25,000 rupees. But these days the new mid-range pricing is like for about 25 to 30,000 rupees. I'm talking about the recently launched phones like the OPPO Reno 80 or even the Redmi Note 12 Pro. The prices have gone up, but the Poco X5 Pro is being priced at a starting price of 21,000 rupees. That is with the ICICI bank card or the HDFC bank card. So if you are able to grab one with these cards for 21,000 rupees, I think so this makes for an amazing deal. And for the kind of price, the specs on offer are great. I mean, a 120Hz AMOLED display, 5000 mAh battery, big battery, 67 watt fast charging, the tried and tested Snapdragon 778G processor under the hood, and the 108 megapixel primary rear camera, something that is also a first on a Poco phone. And we've also noted in our review that is on the India Today Tech tech website. The phone takes like amazing pictures in a variety of lighting conditions. So if you want a solid mid-range phone for a price of about 21,000 rupees, I think so the Poco X5 Pro will be a solid deal. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.